to the desert.
Ay! Diyos ko, Day! Wala siyang preno! Oh my God! We want to stay alive sa mud.
We will be alive.
Come on. Aray ko! Diyos ko, kinagat ako. Nakaka-nervyos ha. Medyo wild yata itong sa akin.
Oh yeah, it's heart-shaped now.
Kapuso.
Yeah, kapuso mo, Jessica Soho.
Two hands. Ma'am, two hands down.
Okay.
And lean back.
Siyempre, hindi makukumpleto ang ating Dubai adventure kung hindi tayo makakapasyal sa disyerto at makasama ang mga camel.
Nasa countryside tayo ng Dubai at narito tayo sa isa sa kanilang camel farms. Wow, you have a nice place. This is really wonderful. You have 18 camels.
Yeah. It's not for racing, it's not for eating, it's not just for petting. All our camels are very calm, they like people.
Taong 2016, itinayo ang farm na ito para magsilbing tahanan ng mga camel. 2 taon mula nung ito'y itinatag, binuksan ito sa publiko. Ang namamahala ang Italianong si Luca.
What is an Italian doing in Dubai racing camels?
I moved here 10 years ago as a photographer, but with my girlfriend 2 years ago, we took this place. It was a farm that was already existing before. We decided to make it more beautiful and to create a real Emirati and Bedouin experience for tourists.
Aba, nabigyan pa ako ng pagkakataon na pangalanan ng isa sa mga camel dito.
What is his name?
I don't know.
You don't know?
If he doesn't have a name, you can give it a name.
Okay, now you are now Jessie, okay? Kasi wala ka pa raw pangalan, so ako na magpapangalan sa'yo. Jessie! You're Jessie from here on, okay? Oo, meron na akong camel dito. Hello, kinakain niya yung blouse ko. Okay, hi, sorry, wala akong dalang pagkain. Pwede mo raw silang i-kiss. Ang bait naman. Wow.
On the nose also. They like.
On the nose. Also, the kiss is on the nose?
Of course.
Oh, come on. Kiss you daw. Hindi sila mabaho.
She wants more.
Oh, you want more? Oh, ang sweet mo naman.
Ang mga camel, itinuturing na cultural heritage ng UAE. Status symbol din ang mga ito. Kung mas maraming camel na pagmamay-ari ang isang pamilya, ibig sabihin, mas mayaman sila. Pero alam nyo ba kung ano ang laman ng mga umbok sa hump ng camel? Hindi pala nila ito imbakan ng tubig, kundi ng fat o taba. Kaya kahit mahabang paglalakbay sa disyerto, kaya nila.
If they go in the desert for 2-3 weeks without food or water, they can still take the nutrition from the hump. Here they don't have big humps because we feed them every day, so they don't really need to accumulate fat.
Oh, so that's how it goes. If you feed them enough, they will not grow their hump so big.
Yes,
yeah?
because for them it's an excessive weight. It's like a runner. It doesn't have many muscles because it needs to be light.
You fold it, yeah?
Dito sa farm, pwede mong maranasang magpakain ng camel.
More and more and more. Malalakas sila. Okay, here. Matakaw yung maliit. Is this edible for humans too, or it's just for animals? It's not poisonous, yeah?
No.
Let me taste one leaf. Tikman natin. Very mild tasting. Kala ko mga lasang malunggay natin, hindi pala. Sorry, I tasted your food, okay? It's edible for humans, eh?
Yeah, for sure. For sure. If it is something dangerous, we cannot give it to the animals.
Buhay pa naman ako. Na-curious lang ako kaya tinikman ko. Here you go. And look, he's still hungry, ah. Oh, yeah.
Ang teknik daw sa pagpapakain sa mga camel, dapat hinahawakan ng mahigpit ang damo sa bandang dulo. Kaso, huli na nung nalaman ko.
Aray ko! Diyos ko, kinagat ako.
Just trying to grab the food, you know.
Yeah. Their teeth are not sharp,
No,
yeah?
no, camels, they don't easily harm people with their teeth because
But-
they don't have complete teeth.
Hey, you Jabbar, ha? Kala ko magkaibigan tayo. Muntik mong baliin yung daliri ko, ha? Masakit yung kinagat niya sa akin, ha?
I think they're having a nice time with you, you know.
Aray ko! Diyos ko, kinagat ako. How do you ride camel? What's his name? His name is Hua. 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 Hello, Hua. Hua, bati tayo, ha? Be good, Hua. Be nice.
Always lean back now because maybe they can go down once more.
Diyos ko, nakaka-nervyos, ha? Lean back lang daw kasi baka lumuhod bigla. Medyo wild yata itong sa akin. You're a nice camel, Hua.
Ngayon ko lang masusubukan kung paano maglakbay sa disyerto sa kanilang likuran. Aba, ang aming guide na si Omar, tila nag-e-exhibition pa.
Ang tawag po sa mga camel ay barko ng disyerto. They can travel long distances. Kaya nilang malayong mga paglalakbay at kahit walang tubig, walang pagkain, mabubuhay sila. At napakahalaga ng mga camel dito sa disyerto, nabubuhay at naghahanap buhay. Siguro yung human civilization as we know it, hindi tayo nakarating dito kung hindi dahil sa mga hayop na ito. Masakit sa puwet, sa lower back.
Para sa first-timer, hindi madaling sumakay. Ibang klase rin pala ang pagbaba. Muntik na akong mahulog. Mabuti na lang at nasalo ako ni Samson.
Thank you. Thank you, Samson. You're my angel.
Let's see Samson.
Thank you. Kailangan ba bilisan? Baka magpalit ng isip. Thank you. You're really my angel. Today you're my clown and my angel, Samson. Thank you.